Write a program that consists a base class and a derived class. The base class fields are roll number and name, and the derived class fields are height and weight. All the information will be accepted from user and pass it to the class through constructor and display all information. So in comment line we will write it. These are the different conditions. Now we will create a class, base class. Since in base class we are going to accept the roll number and name, we will declare variables roll number and name. Then we will declare a constructor for our base class with two parameters, roll number and name. And we will assign this constructor parameters value to our local variables. So this dot roll number equal to roll number and this dot name equal to name. Now we will create another class, derived class, which inherits base class. Now we will create another class, derived class, which inherits base class. In derived class we are going to accept height and weight. So I will declare here two variables, height and weight. Then we will declare constructor for our derived class with fields roll number, name, which are from base class, and height and weight, which inherits base class members, roll number and name. And here height and weight values from constructor we will assign to our local variable. So this dot height equal to height and this dot weight equal to weight. Now here we will write a method data display which will print the values of roll number, name, height and weight. See, it is giving error because we have not declared these variables as a public, so it will not access the values from base class. For this we have to declare it as a public. Then we will write name, then height and weight. Now we will create object of this base class in main method. In main method we are going to accept the roll number, name, height and weight. So I will declare variables for that. We will accept it from user. So in console.writeLine I will write enter roll number, and in roll number I will accept it. Since it is integer we will convert it. Then we will accept name. Since name is a string, no need to convert it. Then we will accept height and we will accept weight. Now we will create an object for our derived class, d equal to new derived class with parameter roll number, name, height and weight, and we will execute the method data display from derived class. To execute, press F5. It will accept roll number, name, height and weight, and it will display.